Okay, looks like we're working. Alright, I actually only have a few stocks that I'm interested in today. Well, I've got 15 minutes. We can have a look around, I suppose. Anyone that's interested, this NK is up 60 cents pre-market, and PCG's up $1.20. WDC's up 11 cents. Golly. PCG's up $1.25. LMPX is up $1.29. They're the ones I'm interested in. Just got to find LMPX. Why isn't it here? There it is. So, but I can't really see much there. It doesn't show you much. Doesn't look like there's a lot of volume now on LMPX, but what have we got? Today's volume is 26k at this stage. PCG has got like 2 meg at this stage. It's up $1.23. Could go up another $1, so PCG might be the one to play with. Let's have a look. Now that looks a bit healthier, doesn't it? It says it's up from 1091 to 1206. There's 1206 there, it's been up a bit higher. Anyway, well, excuse me, mark off our highs and lows. There's our pre-market high we're interested in. And there's our pre-market low. So she's come up, come back down, come up, come down. So really it looks like it could continue on. I guess it's like 1089 to 1251. It's a fair sort of range there. So 10 shares would be $100. And if that went up from 12 to 1250, 1280, somewhere in there, it'd be nice. Let's have a look on the daily. Let's see what we got there. Alright, so 1250, there might be a little bit of resistance, but if it breaks that, it'll go up to here, 15. Imagine. You got all these selling there, gap down. I like selling off and then gap down, and now this is going to try and fill the gap. Probably today with a bit of luck, but anyway. So that's what we're looking at. It's been down low here. That's our swing low. It's our swing high. Let's have a look at all them. So that's the range. So it's come up, come back down, another little mini gap down sort of, and then it's come back up. And we'll be looking for it to head up that way, but you put it down into intraday, which means we've only got this preliminary market here. That means that swing low is totally out of it, so we're going to go off this one, and let's see if we can get this swing high, come back down here somewhere. So that's where we're playing. This is gapped up. I don't expect it to backfill there, but anything's possible. So if it was to come down, we'd be looking just under there. Can't draw a straight line.
I only use my scans. I don't chase other people's watches or anything like that.
See if we can do it there. Boom.
You know,
Alright.
you establish,
So we wanted to break out of there.
You gotta stick to it. If not, you won't
We assume that's the low of the day.
in your trading.
This is high of the
You'll
day.
never make money.
and we have potential to go up considerably if it should work. Alright, so that's what I'm thinking. We got NK. Looks good to me. There's our range. WDC. It's up 74 cents. We've got our pre-market low or our low. We've got our high swing. We really sort of want this to come down and up and push out through the high, because I think that's where it's heading overall. It's just up. It seems to have been going up. It's got a little bit, could have some resistance at 58, so it means we've got like 60, 70 cents there. 75 cents maybe.
Twitter.
Okay. Roku.
StockTwits.
I was just looking at Roku before.
Facebook. I used to have all that stuff up thinking I'm going to miss something.
There's our range there.
And
oh, Ed, I have to turn you off.
There was no consistency to my trading whatsoever.
Oh. You did fine yesterday, Ed. Just relax. Okay. Yeah, so I'll just get that down out of the way. What's going on? Something after? Yeah. Alright. Everything's looking pretty good. So this one we're looking at something breaking out of either side of that. You guys we're not really looking at today, but who would know? It's sort of gapped down. I don't understand why gas is dropping in value. It's probably related to oil or something. Anyway, who would know? Joe is coffee, and I doubt we'll be trading that. Not really interested. AMRX, I don't even know why it's still in there. I've taken it off up there, so I'll get rid of it. I'll get rid of Joe too. PQR is down 92 cents. So what do we got? Let's see if we can figure this out. We've got a swing high up there, and another swing high up there. That might be the ceiling by the look of it. We've got a swing low there, but we've got a lower swing low here, and then we've got a lower swing high here. So this could be pullback, and this is continuation. So it's got to go up 50 cents, and it would be able to push out the end there with a bit of luck. So we'll keep an eye on that. That's minus 92. So yeah, we expect that probably to continue back up, but it'd have to come back up through here. And SLRX should be just deleted, in my opinion. And ADIL deleted. LMPX can stay. And you can see it's up $1.50. So all good. I've got nothing really drawn on that, so perhaps we could do a high and a low. Well, pretty obvious where the low is, right there, and that matches with this high here, so that's interesting. So that might be a support line now. So therefore our swing high is up here, but we've come down and we've had a lower low, higher high, or lower high, so we'll mark that lower high in about there, and then just come back down and sort of tickles and then come back down. So yeah, this might still be wanting to sell off. Let's have a look on the daily. Come on, where are you? Oh, there you are there. See, it's only been out for such a short time. So, okay, we've had a first red day, we've had a second red day, and it's probably a sell. Interesting. So, let's have a look at LMPX. And I'll just put us over onto that. Okay. And there's LMPX there. We'll have a look at it. It says it's shortable. Diamond sales looks a bit red, doesn't it? So yeah, she could be a seller for her. And it's interesting, there's a 2064 and then a 2050. And look, 2065. There's a 65-cent gap on it. So we're not trading that right off. LMPX here is $2.26 gap on it. Interesting. So this says it's $2.26 gap. Alright. Ed's only watching Roku, FDX and GIS, whatever GIS is. I decided before I wasn't doing FDX at all. I'll have a quick look at GIS. $52 is down 21 cents. It's trending up, although it's been a little bit sideways, hasn't it? Been considerably sideways there. It is sort of trending up though. But anyway, let's have a look. On a daily we've got a low, a high, a low. So there's a low there and high there on the daily. And then we'll go back to 5 minutes. And we've got nothing showing. So we'll come down to our last high. There's our last swing high there. And our last swing low is there. Got bugs crawling on me. Damn it. 52.57 to 51.94. So we've got, oops, oh, we've had a little bit of pre-market activity. Look at this. Wow. Right up there. What's going on? So, there's our range. Market's open. And we'll see what happens. QR. Where is it? 996 up here. Sort of gapped up. You guys, not doing much, is it? We really want you guys to jump over there. Just put a mark there. You guys, I'll try and put a mark there. If you guys tops there somewhere, we might be looking at it. Roku I've already marked, I think, and it's out the top. Look at that, kept right up to there. So no doubt about it, if you can trade the first minute, it's just amazing. But I can't trade a minute accurately. I just lose money on them every time. I can't get out quick enough, and that's the problem with this interface. There's no fast way to get in or out of a trade, so you can't take fast trades. You're just going to take slow ones. But this certainly looks like it's an up. Go on to 1 minute. Look at that little bar up there, just tiny. Very curious. So I'm going to move my stop up. I'll just draw a new one. That would be my stop if we went long. That's the last swing high there. So it's theoretically long, and look, if you'd got in, you'd be right up there, which is 30 cents up. There's a support line there, we'll just draw that in. It's got to be close to support there now. And then we've got a high there. Swing high. So if it pops out up above that, we might have a go. And we'd have nearly 50 cents. Might be worth a go. This is sold off. Was up $1. Not quite sure what's going on. Sort of looks like it's sold off to me. So there, was it 9.97? It's now note to 9.84. But what does this say? It says it's up $2.43 since the close. Yesterday's close. So there you go. Was it closed down there or something? I have no idea what's going on there. Oh, I'm looking at the wrong fucking thing. God, I'm dumb. 98 cents. This one's not even on there. Let's put it on. Oh, sorry. Just thick, obviously. P Q enter. Now we're cooking with gas. It's up 50 cents. It's got 67,000 volume at this stage. Really, I don't want to trade it under sort of at least 100,000, 200,000, I don't know. $1 million, I'd prefer. So PCG is it. It's got volume, lots of it. Rokewood's got plenty of volume. Hugo's got plenty of volume, but we know from yesterday that it was going down, not up. WDC has got 185k. ePay has got 0 volume. Let's delete ePay. Alright, so the big overall winner is LMPX, is up $2. So let's have a look at LMPX. $21.50, it's broken out. It's got volume. I'm going to take a trade straight out here. It's still got 46 cents. So we'll take 2020s is 400. Take 20 shares. And enter. And look, we're down $8.20. So obviously a stop loss has to be like $20. Let's see if I've got a stop loss marked there. So 1863 would be my stop loss minimum, maximum, which if we set that up, I would imagine put that to 18.63. Wow. So yeah, that's well down, and that's a hell of a stop loss. Probably too wide in hindsight. It's not what I wanted. So obviously when I did that, 21.50, 18.63, that's just way too much stop loss. I need to rethink that, obviously. So what did I say? 21. Oh, because I needed 8 because of that. Okay. Anyone watching this must think I'm fucking dumb. Alright. So, there we are. After just looking at this now, I don't think I'd like to take a live trade at that. PRQR, it's got no volume. Absolutely no volume. And we're not trading that. Hugo's is going to have billions volume, but it's going down. Still going down. Clear all the crap off here. Roku, it's up $1.25. It's pulled back. Probably looking at support there. Clearly, I should have got in here. Would have been a good trade. WDC has gone up and died. Wow. I'll be trading that. PCG is trying to go somewhere. It's sort of clearly, that's their baseline. We're looking at last swing high is about there. So if we can get a break above that, we might be able to go long. NK has pulled back, and it's only up 3 cents according to this. It's not even in there, so we need to put it in. Oh, that didn't work. Got a few shares trading. It's not scrolling though. Doesn't have much really to show there. Volume on NK is currently 388,000, so it's coming. So yeah, I think it's worth watching. Western Digital's fallen out the bottom. Bounced down. It's just a bit wild for me to be considering. I don't know what's going on. Roku has done pretty much the same thing. It's gone down, up, down. Golly. The gas is coming up to here. Probably look for a sell-off at 8:30. So can I sell you guys? Non-shortable. No, that'd be. Oh no, it says shortable now. Just a bit wild and fresh. So probably 8:29 to 8:30 would be the short. You sort of got your bottom twigs there. And there. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4 up. 830s there. A good volume on that bar, and then we got $100 there, 300 there, so we're not getting the volume at all. It's got 1 million vol here. It's not 1 million so far today. So says it's 20. LMPX last price is 2019, and yet this says, oh no, it says 2045 now. 35% spread on there, and the spread here is 25 cents. It's really not a great trade to be in. So this is jumping around 20 cents just on spread. Pretty crazy. This is the closest one, but got no movement. It's just dropped out the bottom. I don't believe it's going to sell off too much. It's a good stock, not a bad stock. So we're really looking for a breakout above here, I think. You guys has hit this line, which is theoretically going to be a sell. However, nice to get a good strong volume spike to go with this. Really nothing jumping out, is there? NK might be doing... NK's actually dropped off in value, it says. So, it's not doing anything. So the only one with any real movement was Roku's up $1, or LMPX is up $1. PCG's up 81 cents. That's it. Roku, PCG. It doesn't look like a buy, anything I've learned at this stage. Roku, PCG, and LMPX. Just having a look at me for Forex trading. Let's have a look at my stock screens. So we want doing real good today. Haven't got anything that I'm really keen on. I might call it quits and go to bed early. Bit boring, eh? I see Ross didn't trade yesterday. Pretty boring. 2 viewers again. Viewer never says shit to me, so I don't know where the viewer is. Yeah. Onsie's moving up. It's $1.80 stock. Onsie. ONCY. Let's put a link in here to it. See if we got any volume going. Million volume. How's it getting lost on me? It's got Aslan there, but I can't see Onsie. Must have filled it out or something. Anyway, we'll add it. Get rid of that. Doesn't look like a safe thing to trade. Looks like it's short. Nope, nothing's looking good. No, edge shorted FTX. Didn't want to do FTX at all. Let's have a look. Well, I suppose, I don't know why it waited so long. He must have been looking for something. There's your swing low. There's your swing high. There's your next swing high. And your last swing low. So short would be 147. I got 99. He had 78. But yeah, in that area. You'll be swearing soon again. One of my stocks is just not working. One of my trades on Forex is just not working. It's AUD CAD. I've got it short and it's not believing me. What's it there? Gee, it looks like it should be short to me. Alright. I can't find anything I want to trade. FTX is no good the way it is. It's jumping up and down. So we'll just leave that. Aussies. Well, maybe. Well, there's a downward trend, look at that. I can see why FTX is a short. It's down nearly $15 today. You guys is down 65 cents, so you guys are definitely a short. Roku's up 89. LMPX is up 44. So, not, it's actually down. Hasn't hit the stop loss yet, it's come really close to it. There's 30 cents movement in this stock. You really want to, with that volume there, if she breaks up, if we get a little thing and then starts to break up, we might get in it. It's Yayo. I'm going to put it in here. Volume 60 mil, but it's hard to imagine that. That looks like it's a buy. Boom, burst out 203. Okay, let's buy it. It's skyrocketing. It's just dropped back to 194. Hope this is not a short now. So we better let it go and do this this sort of maneuver up and then back down and then off up, and that's what we're looking for. We'll see what we get. Well, anyway, I'm watching this if you wonder what the fuck I'm doing. Can't even see me. What's going on? Must be there somewhere. Where am I? Oh, there I am. Just down the bottom there. Yeah. Down. It's done nothing but drop since I looked at it. Look at that, I was going to go long on it. As soon as I decided I was going long, it started falling. So there you go, there's a trick. Make a decision, then see what happens for the next couple of minutes before you act, because clearly that was a wrong decision to go long. We've got a big long spike there. If I get rid of... See that big long spike? That's pressure down. Right up from the $2 mark. Just come all the way down there. This gap down, pushed up, and then this is just gapped down a little bit and gone down. This is gapped up a bit. So yeah, leading provider of vehicles to the rideshare industry. What the fuck does that mean? There we go. 2 o'clock. Well, Ed must be hurting right now. Well, I'm nodding off. Got to be a bit boring. I don't think I'm going to trade today. I'm just not feeling it. And this is not feeling it either. Look, got in there and it's just all just falling in a heap. Down 37 bucks. That just sucks. Paper trading account will not be happy. That leaves me with equity of $13. Fair income. I'm pissed. Nothing happening here. Yayo says it's up 74 cents. Maybe now we're gonna move. Oh, there we go. Could be. That's looking better. It's coming down short there. There's our high. Need to see if we can get it top that. Oh, fuck. This comes down less than halfway here and pops up. We'll be right. Well, I might give it up. I just don't see anything working particularly at all. Have a look at this. That's just lost 40 bucks in there. That's bullshit. Alright. I've been over it. AUD-CAD's not sort of doing much that I want either. But I have got a stop on it. This hasn't moved in a bloody hour. What's Euro USD? LMPX is down to -42. PCG is to LMPX is plus 42 cents. PCG is plus 73. PRQR is plus 40. Yayo is plus 65. But I don't think Yayo is going to do it. So I suppose Yayo's bought in here somewhere anyway. She's up. This has come down. She thinks she's going swimming. Yep, I'm pretty tired. Didn't get any sleep today and I should have. Let's have another look on FinViz and see if there's any crazy stock. So what are we looking for? Technical up 5%, and there's like 3 stocks up 5%. Far out. That's a $13.71. NLTX is the only potential. PGI, it looks good, but it's gapped right down again. MBR. What's NLTX? Alright, we'll have a look at that in here. See if we got any ideas. NLTX. Enter. $1.73 for the day. Nuleokin Therapeutics. Nothing's doing what I want. Oh, that's it, I've had enough. Alright, what a waste. Cheers.